In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on and off the task completion sound in Microsoft To Do. Whether you find the sound of tasks being ticked off satisfying or somewhat distracting, adjusting this setting is straightforward once you know where to look. Let's walk through it together step by step, so you can customize your app experience to suit your preferences perfectly. Firstly, we need to access the Microsoft To Do app. You can do this by opening the Start menu on your Windows device and searching for Microsoft To Do. If by chance you haven't downloaded it yet, don't worry, the app is available on the Microsoft Store for Windows. Additionally, there's a web version that you can access from any browser. Just navigate to todo.microsoft.com. Once you have the app installed or the web version open, the next step is to sign in. Use your Microsoft account credentials, which are the same as your Outlook, OneDrive, or any other Microsoft services you might use. Just click on the sign in button and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. After successfully logging in, you should now have your Microsoft To Do dashboard in front of you, filled with all your lists and tasks. Now, to get into the settings where we can toggle the completion sound, locate your profile picture. It's typically found in the top left corner of the app. Don't worry if you don't have a custom profile image, it might just be a simple icon placeholder. Clicking on your profile picture will bring up a menu. From here, select Settings to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the settings menu, you want to focus on the general section. This is where the magic happens for most personalization options. Look for an option labeled Play Completion Sound. This setting controls whether you hear a sound every time you complete a task. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. To turn the sound on, make sure the toggle is set to the on position. Conversely, if you wish to enjoy tranquility at task completion, flip the switch to off. And that's it, you can freely switch this on or off, and the change takes effect immediately. Feel free to test it by completing a task to ensure it's set to your liking. Congratulations, you've now mastered how to toggle the task completion sound in Microsoft To Do. This feature is just a small part of customizing your task management experience. Keep exploring the app to find other settings that might enhance your productivity further. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has made your digital task management just a little bit smoother.